Hey guys, what's happening? How to change Wi-Fi passwords. So you can go ahead to your browser and search for the basically the router, the company's responsible Wi-Fi, right? You're gonna search for if you're using Verizon, if you're using any other wireless Wi-Fi. In my case, I'm using STC, right? You gotta go ahead to the official website of 192.168.1.1, right? Or you could go to 192.168.0.1. Okay, and you're gonna go ahead and log in, obviously, and enter the username and then password, and select the type of Wi-Fi that you use on STC, right? And make sure to add the credentials of your Wi-Fi, right? Or the name. And basically you're gonna enter, of course, the old password, and then you're gonna enter the second to the new password in order to change it. And afterwards you're gonna be able to change the router immediately. You're gonna see right here the steps, right? You're gonna enter the username and password. And for Huawei routers, you could use 192.1.68 .100.1 and enter the username and then password. Okay, and then you're gonna be able to change the basically after you added the username and password. You're gonna go out to the network and wireless, and the SSID name into the new Wi-Fi SSID, which you're gonna find in the router, right? And enter the new Wi-Fi password in the WPA key, right? The Wi-Fi settings may be located in the basic wireless settings or set up WLAN settings in some modern models. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we will see you in the next one.